शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा.
Today we are gathered here to remember and celebrate the contributions of tribal communities in our nation's history and culture. This day also commemorates the 150th birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, the legendary tribal freedom fighter, whose legacy continues to inspire India's tribal communities. Commemorating with his 150th birthday anniversary, we will also be launching the IEC campaign for DA Jaguar, which is a new scheme and which was recently launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 2nd October. Today's walkathon will kickstart a series of events ahead as part of the celebration. Simultaneous programs are also being held in all 26 states and 4 union territories of our country. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, will grace the main national function at Jamui in Bihar. Today is not just about an event, but coming together of diverse tribes in remembrance of our contributions in the preservation of our country's cultural heritage. Your participation in this event is well appreciated. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you and have a very good day.
Today is the occasion organized by the Tribal Affairs Department. So I thank the Tribal Affairs Department led by our Secretary, Madam Angelina, and then our Director, Madam Sino Pom. We're also glad that we have in our midst representative from Delhi in the form of Ashokji, our Deputy Secretary to the Government of India, our department. American ido aji wak koreado nameti ko na jene jan jaitia gaurav diwas inaga American ido India hwado as part of the Union of India. We were the 16th state. Ido dosara state bishi bara American pura ase American 1963 de Government of India laga Union ekta hoche. American do tribal manu ase India de American nation tribal manu takhan laga contribution bhi bishi ase aro India de saishe goile edo Bihar de bhi Orissa de bhi Santhal bugine ekta tribe thake edo Meghalaya saishe goile Khasi bugine ekta tribe thake Khasi do matrilineal edo American do Mota Khan head of family koi tade do Maiki Khan head of family koi Ido tribal society inaga India de सबसे पुराना language, सबसे older society India de bhi inaga Santhal, Khasi idugan inaga thakya mana se magando isro morom kurigine yede jono moise yede khushi paase American naga osor thaise goile India do democratic country ase idu sob bhi eki ase gogine inaga buya ase American khushi buya ase American naga neighborhood thaise goile idu thik na thakya laga country takhan laga forms of government bhi thik nai idu karone it is a great day for us to be participating with the rest of the country in this great endeavor to honor all those who had fought for our freedom. Freedom is never free. It is always with a price. So today we remember and we are also glad to participate with the rest of the country to be celebrating this particular Diwas and also using this occasion to launch the EAC campaign. Aro Dharti Aba Gine program alak launch kore ase itu Tribal Affairs para American sob karne bal wala program launch kore ase itu karne aji इशोर मोरगम रोने अमेरिकन जेदा आया तो खुशी दिन आसे सब के फसना अलग ओलाबो and on this day the 15th November, I along with the rest of our officials here and in the name of all of us who are going to participate here would like to flag off this Wagathon and also present the beautiful, colorful people of Nagaland. Thank you.
One, two, three. Thank you so much.